Ciao ensemble, mio nome è Gianni Tschenett ed faccio oggi il piccolo concerto dell'RTR. Questa è la mia prima canzone, quella si chiama The Storm e quella è una fitch nuova. Tell a story to everyone you know, how you ripped out my heart and how it feels to be you. Let's drink a glass of wine as I did 100 years ago. Get the sins that we've done and the ones that will come. I've lost you in the storm, and I don't wanna know if you miss me as I miss you. Just curtains close, and it's the end of the show. You've lived your life in so many different ways, went with the strongest ones but had no place to remain. So tell me now, was it the fear or the fall, the strength or the pain, the duty or result? I've lost you in the storm, and I don't wanna know if you miss me as I miss you. Cause curtains close, yeah, the curtains close, yes, the curtains close, and it's the end of the show. Paint a picture as you painted eyes. It might take a bit of time, but in the end you'll be fine. Paint a picture, paint it all for you. It might take a bit of time. It might take a bit of time. It might take a bit of time, but then you'll be fine. Grazie fitch per l'applauso. Questa va in mia prossima canzone, quella si chiama Desires. Mia prossima canzone si nomina Pull Me Out e si tratta in sé di un tempo che lungurus scuccides us al momento. Sun's been shining bright today. I don't know where the clouds have gone. I've been waiting here all day. I don't know where you have gone. I am like this since a long, long time. Still I don't know why I am down. Yeah, like this since a long, long time. Still I don't know what went wrong. It's killing me slowly. Something's pushed me against the wall now. Are you feeling? Are you feeling great? Are you feeling? Are you feeling great? Give me a reason, give me something I can write about. My life's a boring tale, something that could pull me out. Give me a reason, give me something I can write about. My life's a boring tale, something that could pull me out. You think you know me as you know everything, you know it better and better can't be worse. You don't need to rescue cause you save yourself and you never need to rehearse. It's killing me slowly. Something's pushing me against the wall now. Are you feeling? Are you feeling great? Are you feeling? Are you feeling great? Give me a reason, give me something I can write about. My life's a boring tale, something that can pull me out. Give me a reason, give me something I can write about. My life's a boring, but it's something that could pull me out. Grazie, Fitch.